Hello, today I'm going to show you how to capture a signal using Universal Radio Hacker and an RTL SDR and analyze it using Kaiju Rolling Code Analyzer. So you just click on record signal, choose the frequency and start capturing. You press the button of the key fob, one press, two press, and you stop. Save the file, close, it will be automatically open. Just crop the signal, remove some useless information, and then switch to demodulated mode and just check that the signal is quite good. So verify that each bit is indeed correctly measured by URH, so 400 microseconds or 400 samples, this is correct. And as you noticed, each signal is split into the synchronization and the payload, and we want everything on the same line, so we will remove the message breaking and make it to a bit a bigger value, and then we have each line which represents a signal. Then you will copy paste everything and switch to Kaiju. Kaiju is the rolling code analyzer which is located at rolling.pondwarf.com, and you just have to click on analysis binary. Because the input is binary, you copy paste everything as given by the URH output with pauses, etc. Just click on analyze. And then click on task result, and you have the resulting remote, which is in our case it's Aprimatic, model TR, we have the serial number, the synchronization counter, fixed part and ciphertext, type of encoding, type of ciphering, so encoding is PWM pulse width modulation, button is button 1, it's keylock, the recommended transmission parameter 433 MHz 2000.5 bit per second, ASK. You can generate new rolling code. Click on generate, like let's say we want 5 rolling codes. Okay. And we have the rolling code. They are available as Flipper output, for example, or just copy paste, or you can generate a Yardstick1 Python script. Okay. If you want to see the input data which has given results, this result it's available also in a waveform mode. So as you can see, analysis is quite easy, and in a few minutes you can capture a signal using an RTL SDR and analyze it using Kaiju. That's all.